Hello, my name is Tyler Annisberger, and I'm a medical applications engineer at AddUp in Cincinnati, Ohio. A key differentiator of the FormUp 350 is its proprietary compression roller technology. This technology results in superior surface finish and reduced supports. I then spend less time removing supports and post-processing, which decreases the amount of iterations and increases cost savings. The other key differentiator of the FormUp 350 is the throughput. The combination of a multi-laser system with a 350 by 350 millimeter build plate results in build times being measured in hours, not days. Having the right tool for the job is super important to me as an engineer. With the FormUp 350, it gives me the best chance to succeed in throughput, quality, and consistency. If you want to learn more, connect with us on LinkedIn or visit our website.